Yo, what's up, everybody? I am Rob Does It All. I'm coming to you live and direct from the world's northernmost town, Longyearbyen, Svalbard, Norway. Little archipelago, closer to the North Pole than anything else, any other landmass. And today is my first video for my YouTube channel, just talking about what life is like on Svalbard and trying to answer some questions. I got one question that I get, actually, I get it a lot, and it's, what's it like being Black living in Longyearbyen, being Black living on Svalbard? And it's really nothing, you know what I mean? Like, it's just like being like anybody else, you know, because nobody can be born on Svalbard, everybody here is from somewhere else. So there's no, like, the native species of Svalbard is polar bears. So you can't really be hated on. Even Norwegian citizens, when they come to Svalbard, have to get their passport stamped. And, like, for example, the bar I work at, because I'm a bartender, in case you didn't know, what up? The bar I work at, we have, I want to say, like 14 employees, and one of them is Norwegian. Like, the manager's Swedish. We got the kitchen manager, he's from Finland. We have a Polish cook, cook from France, cook from the Netherlands. I'm obviously from America. We have another bartender who is from France as well. Then we have a couple Germans. Yep, we have, so she's from Italy. So, I mean, that's just indicative of our staff, but that's everywhere. Oh yeah, and we got a couple people from the Philippines. So we really have people from everywhere. So I don't feel like being Black on Svalbard is any different myself. I mean, I can only speak for me and my experience. Now, don't be like, oh, well, this and that or someone else or whatever. I can only speak for me and my experience. And since I'm currently the only Black person on Svalbard, yeah, so I can only tell you that. Let's see. I feel like mostly when you get to Europe, like, race is more so an American thing. I think, like, this is my opinion. Like, because in America, I feel like a Black guy, but when I come to Europe, I feel like an American. Because no one says, oh, there's a Black guy. They say, oh, there's the American. Oh, yeah, there's the American, Rob does it all. And it's like, yeah, that's me. That's who I am. I'm proud to be an American. I am American. And so, yeah, there is no real thing about being Black on Svalbard. It's just like being like anybody else. But living on Svalbard is so cool. Let me tell you. Look right now. You see how bright it is? I have no lights on in my apartment right now. This is just from outside, and it is 11:54 p.m. It's almost midnight. My blinds are open. Yeah, I would show you, but maybe next video I'll show you. But it's really cool. So if you think about coming to Svalbard, please come to Longyearbyen, say what's up, and don't worry about being Black on Svalbard. It's cool. It's just like being everyone else. This whole island is full of love. Everybody here is dope. So that's my thing. Till next time, like, share, subscribe, all the YouTube stuff. All right? I am Rob Does It All. Peace.